and set off fireworks from this jetty on the 4th of July. And if you look further down, you can see the long bridge that heads south, and right along it is a railroad bridge. And if you were to walk around the end of that sandy point, you would get to a place where you could put your boat in. Otherwise, you're looking at swimming beaches and a sidewalk, and there's also tennis courts and I believe some horseshoe pits. So lots of things that you can do here at City Beach. And now I'm panning over towards where there is the public marina. And lots of people come in and spend the day in Sandpoint. And here comes some fishermen. Yeah, thank you. And straight ahead is the Best Western Motel, which has one of the very best restaurants in a Trinity restaurant. And of course, the motel has beautiful views. And then farther on down, we have some condominiums. You can see through the trees.